Top 7 Best Fabric Paints. Number 1. Jacquard Dye Na Flow Specialty Paint Set. The Jacquard Dye Na Flow Specialty Paint Set is ideal for silk painting, tie-dyeing, watercolor, airbrush, salt techniques, sponge applications, or for use with simplified batik and wax resists. By ironing on the wrong side of the fabric, the colors are heat set for permanence and fade resistance. On silk, colors have an amazing even luster. On cotton they don't alter the feel of the fabric, and on velvet they are rich and vibrant. This non-toxic paint offers great results on all kinds of fabrics and works on any type of natural or synthetic fiber. It has unique art class supplies that will thrill beginner and experienced students. It also conforms to ASTM D4236 and it is AP certified. At number 2. Tulip 20403 Soft Fabric Paint. Paint your way to picture perfect with Tulip Soft Fabric Paint. This highly opaque paint, developed exclusively for fabric, dries soft and flexible so it moves with your fabric items and won't crack or crumble. Great for use on fabric of all colors. Soft fabric paints are permanent and machine washable so your creativity stays intact wash after wash. Colors are mixable and can be watered down to create watercolor effects. All soft fabric paints can be brushed, sponged, stenciled and stamped onto fabrics. The Tulip 20403 Soft Fabric Paint allows pre-wash fabric before painting to remove sizing. This product can be used on cotton or soft t-shirts. This 4-ounce bottle of fabric paint is available in more than 24 colors. You can use iron on steam setting, holding 1/2 above dry painted surface to texturize paint. It is a non-toxic water-based formula. Number 3. Jacquard Textile Paint. Jacquard products textile color fabric paint, primary and secondary colors. These colors leave your fabric as soft as possible. They can be applied straight from the bottle with a brush applicator bottle or stamp. This package contains 8 2.25 ounces bottles of paint in assorted colors. Conforms to ASTM D4236. Made in USA. The Jacquard Textile Paint has an 8-color set and it includes primary and secondary colors. This fabric paint is color-fast and washable. Each jar includes 2.25 fluid ounces. This fabric paint can be used as a thick or thin layer. Number 4. Crafts 4 All Fabric Paint 3D Permanent 24 Colors Set. This 3D fabric paint set comprises of 24 shiny, extremely vivid and attractive shades. With bonus 3 free paint brushes included, our paint kit will put your artistic talent into fine masterpiece. This product is a highly pigmented quick-dry 3D paint. It can also be used as 2D paint like acrylic for creating long-lasting pieces of art that won't crack or peel. With innovative extra-thin opening and easy squeeze bottles, creating doodles, drawings and writing super simple. Although developed mainly for fabric, this can also be used as paints on a large selection of both plain and textured surfaces including wood, paper, ceramic, glass, and canvases. These non-toxic paints make it safe for everyone to use. Conforms to ASTM D4236. This value pack makes a great gift set or starter set. Ideal for projects of all sizes. It is non-toxic and safe for kids to use. Number 5. Tulip 17581 Dimensional Metallic Fabric Paint. The Tulip Dimensional Fabric Paint Slick Starter Kit features 6 non-toxic paints in a must-have collection of colors that dry with an ultra-shiny finish. Create your own doodles and designs that take clothes, backpacks and school projects to the next level with cool 3D effects. Paints dry permanent and won't crack or peel, even if you throw them in the washing machine. The Tulip 17581 Dimensional Metallic Fabric Paint is non-toxic, safe for everyone to enjoy. It dries permanent and won't crack or peel. It's even machine washable. Make your stuff stand out in slick 3D effects. It has an easy controlled fine tip for a perfect paint flow. Customers acknowledge that paint formula is too thin to paint with. At number 6. Magic Fly Permanent Soft Fabric Paint Set. No heating is needed. Dry fast and our paints can stay put with vibrant performance for a long time. Apply this permanent and dry fast paints to your t-shirt, jeans, canvas shoes, or use a brush and dilute with water for better effects. This set of semi-transparent paint can be used on synthetic and natural fabric. Certified to ASTM EN71. It's non-toxic and safe for humans and the environment. Newest to Magic Fly family is the permanent fabric and textile paint set with 14 bottles, 60 milliliters, including classic, neon and metallic colors, and 3 brushes, for making your creation vivid and carrying out your project freely. This product is not just for fabric like canvas, shoes, t-shirt. This fabric paints can also be applied on other textured surfaces such as paper, wood, glass, and your wall. It is perfect for all kinds of DIY projects. The Magic Fly Permanent Soft Fabric Paint Set is well wrapped by an exquisite colored box. It is a fantastic gift choice for DIY hobbyists, designers and handcraft enthusiasts on birthdays, New Year, Christmas and other holidays. Number 7. 3D Fabric Paint. Magic Fly 40 Colors Permanent Textile Paint. Magic Fly Fabric Painting Set features 40 must-have colors for your creative needs. From drawing, doodling, customizing t-shirts to all kinds of DIY projects, you can make your perfect color combinations. It is not just for fabric like canvases and t-shirts. This 3D paints also work on other textured surfaces such as paper, wood, wall, glass, and plastic. Perfect for all kinds of DIY projects. It comes with an extra thin opening and precision tip design. These paints for fabric are super easy to squeeze and apply. This fabric paint is perfect for drawing, writing and creating doodles. This product is made with premium material. This dimensional fabric paint can be used as 3D paint to create long-lasting pieces of art. The paints won't crack or peel even after washing. These paints for fabric meet both ASTM D4236 and EN71 standards, so they are safe for both kids and adults to use. Besides, this package comes with 3 bonus brushes and 1 carrying bag for easy application and storage. Please don't forget to subscribe to First Pick for future updates.